Now you can see our analysis on our Swiss franc JPY. So please, before you go, just don't forget to subscribe, to like and share this video. Now we can see our Swiss franc to our JPY is actually going bullish, and as you can see, I'm using a 10 period moving average, by the way. So I was waiting to actually enter this trade when our price touches this 10 period moving average. I was waiting for it, but possibly, we are close to it. We had a reversal move. As you can see, we had a bullish move upward. Now we've gotten this our reversal move. Now it is now time for us to actually go bullish. So today, what I am predicting is that our Swiss franc is actually going to be closing bullish for today. As you can see on our daily time frame, our price opens bullish, and we're actually going to be going bullish for today. So 4 hour time frame, we'll be analyzing it from. You can see we're actually going bullish. So if you want to take your trade, our advice, go bullish on your Swiss franc JPY. Since it our 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we've actually gotten this retracement, as we all can predicted. When we're having a bullish uptrend move, we have a bullish move, a retracement, a bullish move, a retracement. Now we've gotten this bullish move, we've gotten this retracement. It's now time for us to now start continuing pushing higher. So it is the best time to actually go bullish on your Swiss franc JPY. As you can see on our 4 hour time frame, our price is still above our 10 period moving average. So go bullish, by the way. Thank you very much.